Iridescent Medium is a great choice for people who want to push the boundaries of traditional watercolor and give their work a pearlescent effect. Iridescent Medium can be used on its own or mixed with color. So we pour some of that out and immediately you can see that pearlescent effect. It's quite beautiful. So I'll take my brush and I'll dip right into it. And here I've got ultramarine violet that's already dry. So if you've got a wash down like that and you want to add this shimmery quality, you can work right on top of the color. So we can just drag that right across over top of it. And we'll leave it at the halfway point so you can see what that looks like, all that great shimmery quality there as opposed to your straight wash. And then also, if you want, we can take it straight and mix it right in with our color. And when you're doing this, it's really good to choose colors that are transparent. That's where that pearlescent effect is going to show up a lot more. And that'll make that a little bit more transparent and really push that pearlescent quality.